Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can cancel Netflix auto payment. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is simply open your Netflix application on your device. And after doing that, here make sure that you are logged into your account. And then open your profile. So after doing that, here you can see currently I'm in the home page. So in order to cancel your auto payment, here you'll have to tap on your profile right here. So after tapping on your profile, here you can get the menu bar right here. Tap on it and then tap on account. So after tapping on account, currently here you can see this is your membership details. So if you want to cancel your auto payment, here scroll down all the way down, then you can see the option of cancel membership. Simply tap on cancel membership. And then here you'll get various options. So if you want to change your membership plan, you can tap on the option change plan. And like that, you'll be able to change the membership plan. But if you want to pause for just a month, you can also do that by tapping on this option. And in here, you also have to remember that you will be able to watch your Netflix until the time that you have paid for. In here, you can also see written whatever you chose, it will take effect on this particular date. You will still be able to watch until then. So you won't be able to cancel the membership that you have already paid for. So if you are sure about canceling your further membership, all you have to do is tap on this cancel option just like this. Then finally, all you have to do is tap on finish cancellation. And just like this, you will be able to cancel your auto payment on your Netflix. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.